Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are from Origi, and today we will presentation for the project, our project is learning the qualification to conventional semi-automatic Cartesian machine. Before we begin, we would thank to Mr. Noval as our review today and Mr. Wisdom as our project managers. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. Starting with myself, my name is Bonardo Madia Rambobolon, as the leader of this group. Now let's move on to the main discussion. We will be
Final result and video demonstration. Next slide. So now we're going to talk about the background. As we already know, the background of the project is the development of the previous conventional control Cartesian machine. So in this project Viva, it's by intending its control system through the implementation of semi-automatic and the integration of supporting components. As a result, the system is capable of operating in two modes, manual mode and semi-automatic mode. Next slide. So this slide shows about work record structure and outlines the distribution of tasks and responsibilities among our each member. Gunagraj Amadina Mokbulan as the PIC of Mechanical and Electrical, Sakit Al-Bayati, Muhammad Zikri, Irfan Tawarik, and myself, Masni Ramadhani, is Mechanical and Electrical support. For the next slide will be, we'll hand it to my friend, Irfan Tawarik.
Hey guys, so I want to explain about the progress way forward to building the Cartesian machine. For the first is planning project implementation. Planning project implementation content is a description of our project. The second is preparation and component collection. We getting the component we use to building a machine Cartesian. The third step is mechanical design. In mechanical design, we created a design of acrylic to build a machine. The next step, we assemble the acrylic part, and the next step, we installing the electrical system, and the last step, we trying mechanical and electrical testing. Next slide. Now, as you can see, guys, this is document progress this is our progress in document project based learning. And 100% we have PPT benchmark, PPT video, PPT benchmark was poster, bus, and was video demo for 50%, and we have manual book, and 80% we have final report and HKI and one presentation in our zero. Okay, the next slide explained by my friend.
supply. While show the payment for sorry. Thank you, Bunernis Ahmadiyah Tambu Bolon. I will. Thank you, Bunernis Ahmadiyah Tambu Bolon.
You can use Basilica if you're not confident enough in your English.
It's okay. Oke, terima kasih Bunernis Ahmadiyah Tambu Bolon. Jadi pada slide kali ini bakal membahas final result. Jadi pada gambar pertama dia ini menampilkan tampil depan, tampil right, left, and top view. Menampilkan top view. Lalu di sini dia menggunakan dua power supply, yang dimana power supply yang pertama dia menggunakan 12 volt DC, yang dimana dia digunakan untuk motor, dan yang kedua dia menggunakan power supply 24 volt DC yang digunakan untuk kontrol mesin. Dan pada picture 6 and 7 dia menampilkan motor untuk sumbu X dan sumbu Z. Nah, pada gambar last dia menampilkan toggle switch, yaitu auto and manual. Lalu jika dia manual, maka dia menggunakan button yang dimana ketika untuk button 1 dan button 2 dia menggunakan sumbu X, yang dimana ketika button 1 ditekan dia akan right, lalu ketika button 2 ditekan dia akan left. Lalu pada sumbu Z dia menggunakan button 3 dan button 4. Nah, di mana pada button 3 dia akan down, dia akan ke bawah. Ketika button 4 dia akan ke atas. Dan ketika mode auto, maka dia menggunakan limit switch, yang dimana ketika limit switch 1 ditekan, maka dia akan right. Ini untuk sumbu X. Lalu ketika motor sumbu X menyentuh limit switch 2, maka dia akan live. Dan begitu pula untuk limit switch 3 dan limit switch 4, dia ketika limit switch 3 ditekan, maka dia menyentuh limit switch 4, maka dia akan mode auto. Nah, okay, next slide. Nah, yang tadi hasil video demonstration dari kelompok kami, dan mungkin akan saya kembalikan kepada Bonagis Amazia Bolon. Terima kasih.
Thank you, Zikri. Thank you for attention, guys. This concludes our presentation. Now we are open for discussion.
Yes, it seems the problem is like the other two teams. Maybe the machine is not kind of rigid. That's the first one. But the sensors just well, I guess. The cable is kind of neat, I guess. And then the manual motor is kind of it's still the dimensional is not quite right. Seems good, right? Right. System does the work the outside window. Okay. The question is, so the theme is everyone is present, right? And then the project is done. The obstacle is just like the same the others, the component, and then the 3D printing and the laser cutting. The differences is that your controller is the side of the yeah, it's, the current is used. Control these sides of is there anyone in your team who did less work, I guess? Is there anything? Muhammad? Saki. How to spell the name? Spell. How to spell?
T-S-A
Saki.
Saki T-I-M.
Saki.
Yes.
Is there any reason why he didn't do the job that he has been tasked for? Playing game? I guess, no?
In the middle of this semester, I have some trouble. The main problem is in my family because in family because my father and my mother are going to Makkah to Haji, so I have to take care of my brothers and sisters, little brother and sister. So that is my reason. And the reason too is I have to manage time for a job.
What did you do in this team? I guess. What did you do in this team?
Reporting the progress and little
Importing the progress?
little helping in mechanical design.
Mechanical design? Which kind of design that you made?
Acrylic. The works in
That's a cutting or the design?
the design.
Is it true? Is it true? So how many meetings that you done with your team and how